Is AI-created art really art? There's been a lot of talks lately about whether or not artworks created by artificial intelligence can be considered art. Some people believe that AI-created art is simply a tool that can be used by human artists to create new and interesting pieces. Others believe that AI-created artworks are interesting and valuable in their own right, regardless of whether or not they were created by a human artist. So, what's the verdict? Is AI-created art really art? There's no easy answer to this question. It depends on how you define art. If you believe that art is simply a product of the artist's imagination, then it's hard to see how something created by an AI could be considered art. However, if you believe that art is an expression of creative thought, then it's possible to see how AI-created art could be considered real art. The art world is in a frenzy over the latest AI-created artwork. Some say that it's an interesting and valuable addition to the art world, regardless of whether or not it was created by a human artist. Others believe that AI-created artworks are nothing more than cheap knockoffs and that they hold no real value. AI-created artwork is certainly interesting and thought-provoking. The idea that a machine can create something that elicits an emotional response from viewers is fascinating, and it's worth considering the implications of this technology. However, it's also important to remember that AI is still in its infancy, and the artwork that it produces is likely to be very different from what humans are capable of creating. As AI continues to evolve, it will be interesting to see how the art it produces changes and grows. For now, AI-created artwork is an intriguing new development in the world of art. AI artists have been exhibited in major museums and galleries around the world. AI artworks have sold for hundreds of thousands of dollars. So, AI-created art is certainly distinguishable, widely accepted, and highly valued. But is it really art? No one can agree on what to make of these paintings, but one thing is for sure, they're causing quite a stir. Some people are fascinated by them, while others find them deeply unsettling. Whatever your opinion may be, there's no denying that these AI-created paintings are here to stay. AI-created art is a relatively new phenomenon, and it has people divided. Is it art if a machine creates it? Some say yes, arguing that AI-created art is simply a new form of expression. After all, machines are capable of producing intricate and beautiful images. Others say no, claiming that AI-created art lacks the creativity and soul of human-made art. The truth is that AI-created art is both fascinating and controversial. One thing is for sure, it's an AI-created debate that isn't going away anytime soon. AI-created art can save a designer time in many ways. For one, AI can help to create new ideas and concepts that a designer may not have thought of before. Additionally, AI can help to refine and perfect existing ideas, making them more refined and professional. Finally, AI can help to generate artwork that is realistic and photorealistic, helping to save time on the task of creating graphics or illustrations. In short, AI-generated art can be a valuable asset to any designer, saving time and helping to create better artwork. Some people believe that AI-created artworks are valuable in their own right because they offer a different perspective than what human artists would create. After all, artificial intelligence is capable of processing vast amounts of data and information in ways that humans simply cannot. This allows AI-created artwork to offer a unique perspective that can be both interesting and insightful. Others believe that AI-created artwork is not really art because it lacks the emotional connection that is often associated with traditional artworks. After all, artificial intelligence does not have emotions and therefore cannot create artwork that is emotionally resonant in the way that human artists can. There's no easy answer to the question of whether or not AI-created artwork is really art. It depends on how you define the term. However, one thing is for sure, AI-created artwork is certainly interesting and thought-provoking, even if it doesn't fit our traditional definition of art. Thanks for joining us here today, and please make sure to like and subscribe for more content.